Hey guys, so just downloaded the Android Oreo update for the Sony Xperia XZs, and I have a quick video here outlining the new features. They are a bit different from the Sony Xperia XZ1 and the XZ Premium, and also we have a quick speed test versus Android 7 Nougat on the XZs. Now, before I updated the XZs to Android 8 Oreo, filmed a quick video of it still on Android 7 Nougat. Filmed it on the Sony Xperia XZ Premium. And with this, it's just a quick boot up test. Here it is on Android 7 Nougat. Of course, XZs Android Oreo right in the middle. And on the right side, we have the XZ1 on Android Oreo, so it's going to do a quick boot up test here. And of course, the XZ1 does have the Snapdragon 35, so it is going to be faster booting up. But the main takeaway here, guys, is the Nougat versus Oreo of XZs. Now, Sony, they've really gotten insanely faster recent software updates. And I do think, aside from Google, they are the fastest for any company out there, at least for Android. Okay, so XZ1, unsurprisingly, first one to boot up. XZs. Okay, so good 3-4 seconds there. So yeah, pretty good there. I think it improved by about 3 or 4 seconds on the Oreo versus Nougat. So we'll go over the new features in a second, but first let's test out more of the performance here. So the games and apps opening extremely fast as usual. And doing some quick multitasking here. Now honestly guys, I think this may be the best Snapdragon 20 phone for multitasking. As you see, really nothing reloading here. And not sure if it's any better than Nougat, but again guys, pretty tough to do any better than this. And some of these games still need to download the updates for them. But good job there by Asphalt 8. Temperanto. Modern Combat. And there's a couple more. Excellent. Now 2018, I'm going to make this test a lot harder because as you guys see, a lot of phones like the XZs really doing an incredible job here. So unfortunately guys, you are missing some features that the XZ1, XZ Premium do have that the XZs does not. So for example, you don't have the 3D Creator app, which is a way of making a 3D avatar on your phone. You can use it for 3D printing, for a game avatar, stuff like that. And it's a pretty awesome feature on the XZ Premium and XZ1, but again, not available here on the XZs. I also don't think that autofocus burst is available on this, unfortunately. And it looks like, actually, it's still using the old style of, I think it's actually using the old style of the camera interface here. Because as you see, we have 4K video right here. But on the XZ Premium, for example, you go into your settings right here. And then you change the resolution that way, which I think makes a lot more sense. But of course, there is a lot of great new stuff here. For example, predictive capture. And this is basically a smile detector. Your phone camera will buffer before you actually take the picture. If you're smiling, it will actually capture that. The battery life is also supposed to be improved. I think that is true. It's based on a lot of the user feedback I've seen. Oh, and also you do have this correction for image distortion. This option right here. So let's make sure you do turn this on. It is off by default. But basically with these cameras, do have pretty wide angle lenses, and sometimes in the corners it is a bit distorted. So again, make sure you turn this on right here. Now, like all phones of Android Oreo, you do have notification dots. And for example, as you guys see right here, there's a dot there for the clock. Please have an alarm set for 2 minutes from now. And you can also long press on the app like this, and you have more options right there. And even going here into notifications, if you swipe here further to the left like this, or I guess to the right, As you see, we have a clock option right here, so you can snooze it, and you can pick the length of time you want to snooze it for. There's also Xperia Actions, which is most used for gaming. It's basically a way to designate certain actions for certain times of the day. So for example, if you want to put on Do Not Disturb mode every night at 1 a.m., it'll do that. And look at this, guys. So I was just going to show you guys the new mode here, picture in picture. But it looks like the Xperia XZ2 just announced, so I guess I have a video to do right there. But just to demo this picture in picture mode real quick, I'm going to make this full screen. So I am in Chrome. If you do have YouTube Red, you can use that instead. But just showing you guys a video here in Chrome. And then I'm going to press the home button. And as you guys see, still have the picture right here, the video right here. And of course, you can have anything running here in the background. Drag it wherever you want, tap on it once. Right here, you can either pause it or drag, well, it makes it bigger, but you can pause it. Continue to drag it around wherever you want. And dismiss it here at the bottom. And then once you dismiss it, it doesn't actually close out of it. Still over here in Chrome. So yeah, if you have YouTube Red or if you have Chrome, a video playing in Chrome, then this will happen. Also the same for things like Google Maps, so you can have the Google Map in the corner of your screen. So aside from that, there's some other minor updates here, including a very minor update here to the quick settings. So a bit different here in terms of the UI, but again guys, pretty similar there. Also you do have text autofill smart text, so if you, let's say if you type out an address to something, if you hold down on that, then it'll actually bring up Google Maps, give you the option to bring up Google Maps. So that mostly does it for this update, but as you guys see right here, I have the Sony Xperia X Performance and the XZ. So we'll be downloading the update for these two phones as well. Going to make another couple of videos there. Maybe we'll go more in depth on some of the new features with these two, but I think all three of these probably will have pretty similar features. Unfortunately, I don't think these three will get some of the new features on the XZ1, the XZ Premium. And guys, just looking back at this, I mean, we have 3 phones here released within 1 year. All of them have the Snapdragon 20 processor, which seems a bit excessive here. I would say probably only needed 1 of these phones, 2 at a max. But I guess that's a topic for another video. So hopefully the video helped you out, and maybe we'll do the update here for the X Performance, the XZ. Maybe do a speed test comparison, a more in-depth one versus the XZS. Alright guys, so let me know in the comment section below if there's anything I missed, and as always, thank you for watching.